So can you run with the Apple Watch but without the iPhone? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely stay tuned by subscribing. You're not going to miss anything then. Of course, the short answer is yes. You don't have to be nearby your iPhone, and it doesn't even matter if you have the cellular Apple Watch or just the regular one. You can leave your iPhone behind, then on the watch just start a brand new workout. Make sure you select the running one so everything gets tracked properly. You can run as much as you want, and the workout will be saved on the watch. Once you come back to the iPhone and back to the internet connection, it will all be synced, right? So the workout data, like your running information, will be synced with the iPhone. And if you have the iCloud backup, then also it will be on the iCloud. So everything will be put together. You are not going to lose any of your information from the run, right? So this is not really an issue. The only problem is, of course, if you don't have the cellular Apple Watch or if you don't have some offline music saved on the watch, you will not be able to listen to anything, or you will not have any directions in terms of GPS and maps, right? So it kind of depends on that, but yeah, all of the other general information from the run will be saved in the workouts app and therefore also on the iPhone once you come back to the phone again. So yeah, that's everything I wanted to explain and mention in this video. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely stay tuned by subscribing and you're not going to miss anything important in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.